Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you could enable and disable JavaScript on a website using Chrome DevTools. Now you're probably wondering, why would you want to enable or disable JavaScript on a website? Well, approximately 1% of users might have JavaScript disabled for a variety of reasons, whether that be a slow internet connection or a browser extension breaking a site's JavaScript code. So in this video I'm going to show you how you could enable it and disable it so you can test and see how your site performs in these situations. So I have a Webflow website here, and I have a simple GSAP load-in animation. So I'll refresh the page real quick so you can see we have this load-in sequence. And so to start things off, I'm going to right-click and hit inspect. And once I have DevTools opened, whether you're on a Windows, you can hit Control-Shift-P, or if you're on Mac, you can hit Command-Shift-P. And you can start typing JavaScript, and in the drop down you'll see disable JavaScript. I can click on that and we'll know it's set up properly because we have this strike through with the script tag right here on the browser URL window, and I can refresh the page and my load-in sequence doesn't play anymore. And so to turn it back on, I can do the same shortcut, either Control-Shift-P on a Windows or Command-Shift-P on a Mac. I can type JavaScript, re-enable it, and I can refresh. And I notice that strike through the script tags is no longer here, and my load-in sequence now plays. If you don't want to use the shortcut Control-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P, you can go to this cog icon right here in the top right-hand corner for settings, and for preferences, you can scroll down, and once you see the debugger, you can hit disable JavaScript from here and then turn it back on. So there you go. That's how you could enable and disable JavaScript using DevTools to test out your website. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.